Hello dear students, welcome back to E-classes of PN Amarsi High School Standard 12 Commerce subject Statistics. Today we are going to do short sums. There are only two short sums of this chapter. They are in exercise 4. Let's do them. Let's do question number 10 of exercise 4 section B. Let's read the question. The linear equation fixed using the data of 7 weeks for a variable is y is equal to 25.1 minus 1.3 t. Estimate the value of y for the 8th week. Now, equation is already given to us and you have to find the value for 8th week. 8th week means t is equal to 8. So what we are going to do, we will substitute the value t is equal to 8 in the equation which is given to us, that is y is equal to 25.1 minus 1.3 t. So when you substitute, we will get y is equal to 25.1 minus 1.3 into 8. So when we will solve this, we will get 25.1 minus 1.3 into 8 will be 10.4, and when we subtract it will be 14.7. So what we can say, the estimate of y for the 8th week is 14.7. Let's do another question, that is question number 10 of section C of the same exercise. Let's read the question. Fit a linear equation from the following data for variable y of a time series. N is equal to 4, sigma y is equal to 270, sigma ty is equal to 734. Now here n is 4. So what we will do? The value of t we can allot. N is 4, that means total there are 4 values. So what will be the value of t? We will start from 1. So up to what we have to go? 4. So t will be 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be the values of t. How we will do? Because total is 4. So from first you start giving and up to 4 we have to go. So t will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what is the next step? We have to find sigma t. Now how we will find sigma t? Sigma t we will find by adding the values of t. Now add the values 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this will give us 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So this is sigma t. Now the next step is find sigma t square. How we will find sigma t square? Square the values of t and then add. So 1 square will be 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Now add the values 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16. So 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 4, 29, 29 plus 1, 30. So sigma t square is 30. So now what we are having? N is 4, sigma t is 10, sigma t square is 30, sigma y is already 270 given to us in the question, and sigma ty is 734. Now the first step will be find t bar. What is the formula for t bar? Sigma t by n. Now sigma t is 10, n is 4. So t bar will be 10 upon 4 and 10 upon 4 is 2.5. This is t bar. Next step is we have to find y bar. What is y bar? Sigma y upon n. Sigma y is 270, n is 4. So when you substitute over here, we will have y bar is equal to 270 upon 4. Now 270 upon 4 is 67.5. This is y bar. Now the next step which we have to do is find b. B is n sigma ty minus sigma t into sigma y divided by n sigma t square minus sigma t the whole square. Now let's substitute. N is 4, sigma ty is 734, sigma t is 10, sigma y is 270 and sigma t square is 30. Let's substitute in the formula. So what will be B? When we substitute, we will have 4 into 734 minus 10 into 270 divided by 4 into 30 minus 10 the whole square. So when we will solve this, we will get the value of B. So what will be the value of B on solving? 11.8. This is the value of B. Now the equation for time series is given by y is equal to a plus bt. So what is the first thing? We need a. So what is a? A is y bar minus bt bar. We are having y bar as 67.5, b is 11.8, t bar is 2.5. Now substitute. So you will have a is equal to 67.5 minus 11.8 into 2.5. So this will give 67.5 minus 29.5. So when we subtract, we will get a is equal to 38. Now substitute a is equal to 38, b is equal to 11.8. In the equation, y is equal to a plus bt. So when we substitute, we get y is equal to 38 plus 11.8 t. So this is the equation of linear trend, that is y is equal to 38 plus 11.8 t. Go through this question because there are only 2 short sums of this chapter. Revise it thoroughly. With this, we have completed all the topics of this chapter. In the next session, we will start the new chapter. Go through this because this is a very, very important chapter and 5 marks question is sure to come from this chapter. Thank you.